Hi. So today I got the Joy-Con wheels from Nintendo, and it's for my Nintendo Switch. So let's get started. And also I can also see there are some stickers right here. I better peel those off before I continue. So see you in a little bit. So I got the box open, and I got the two steering wheels out. So I'm gonna take out steering wheel number 1 and steering wheel number 1. So yeah, just line up your Joy-Cons with the minus or plus signs. Depends on which controller you're using, and then be good. Next, and then here's wheel number 2, which is the same thing as this. So that's like all the unboxing. So I'm gonna show you a test drive on Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So I really like this wheel because it's very good for tilt controls. Like yahoo, yahoo. There's also trigger buttons at the back, like right there and right there. And I like the design on the back. You may not, well, you can see now. As you can see, there's a checkered flag right there, too. It's also on the other one, too. There's also trigger buttons on the other one, too. So, I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.